Starting around the 17th of May 2023, STEPN for the most part is exchanging at 28 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.15% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes. GMT in a real sense has a really complete market cap of $244,865,655 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $38,302,831 in a very significant manner. This makes STEPN kind of positioning at 125 in the cryptographic money market, on the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023. What will STEPN for the most part be really worth in 2023, which in a real sense is very critical. Is STEPN a wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of huge manner? Will GMT cost in every practical sense outperform its unsurpassed essentially high in a significant manner? These explicitly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future. So will GMT cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high? Most certainly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value expectation 2023 in an unpretentious way. As per the STEPN gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the GMT cost really is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of 36 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to basically be 34 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, GMT can really arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 39 cents, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN value gauge May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of STEPN truly is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of 26 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN cost can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of 29 cents with the fundamentally normal cost of 29 cents in USD in a kind of huge way. STEPN value expectation June 2023. Concerning June 2023, STEPN cost in a real sense is gauged to explicitly arrive at in a real sense the most minimal cost of 28 cents in a sort of enormous manner. The GMT cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of 30 cents with the very normal expected cost around 29 cents in a huge manner. STEPN value estimate July 2023. The STEPN cost for July 2023 may explicitly arrive at the very least worth of 29 cents while the most extreme anticipated cost truly is around 32 cents, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely normal cost for GMT especially is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach 31 cents in July 2023 in an unpretentious way. GMT value figure August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of STEPN really is estimated to explicitly be at around a fundamentally least worth of 30 cents, showing that STEPN value forecast 2023 in a quite large way. The STEPN value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of limit of 33 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 31 cents in USD, which for the most part is very critical. STEPN value gauge September 2023. The STEPN cost for September 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of 31 cents while the by and large greatest determined cost in a real sense is around 34 cents, demonstrating the way that STEPN cost can generally arrive at an especially limit of 29 cents with the genuinely normal cost of 29 cents in USD, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The genuinely normal cost for GMT sort of is generally anticipated to reach 32 cents in September 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value figure October 2023. For October 2023 the cost of STEPN for the most part is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 34 cents while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 36 cents and a truly least of 33 cents in a kind of significant manner. STEPN value estimate November 2023. For November 2023 the cost of STEPN for the most part is especially anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of 35 cents while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 37 cents and a kind of least of 34 cents, which really shows that will GMT cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high. STEPN value estimate December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of STEPN fundamentally is basically anticipated to basically arrive at an extremely normal cost of 36 cents while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of 39 cents and a real least of 34 cents, which essentially is genuinely critical. STEPN in every practical sense. Past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The STEPN's cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 3.52% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. From by and large most recent 7 days, the GMT in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.89%, showing how might GMT cost basically outperform its unequaled high, which generally is very critical. STEPN generally has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential of late. And this could be most certainly great chance to dive right in and explicitly contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT truly diminished by 28.879%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of 12 cents from its by and large current worth, which in every practical sense is very huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent truly purchase a potential open door for a especially speedy venture, which basically shows that as per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the GMT value sort of is supposed to really cross a very normal value level of 36 cents. The normal truly least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to sort of be 34 cents, or so they certainly thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 50.28%, and the cost truly coursed from a truly least by and large normal cost of 51 cents to greatest certainly normal cost of 59 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, which generally is genuinely critical. In essentially most recent 4 months, STEPN generally has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Hence, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period, showing the way that the STEPN value worth can really arrive at a truly limit of 33 cents with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 31 cents in USD, as indicated by the in a real sense the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of STEPN certainly is expanded from 4 months, which generally is very huge. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. So this unexpected down sort of implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a fundamentally decent explicitly purchase a potential open door for kind of speedy speculation, which in every practical sense shows that as per the STEPN estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the GMT cost essentially is supposed to in a real sense cross a really normal value level of 36 cents. The normal truly least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the especially current year ought to basically be 34 cents, which in every practical sense is very critical. The coin most certainly is up by 10.18%, with the genuinely greatest certainly normal cost of the coin sort of was around 29 cents and the exceptionally least in every practical sense normal cost of really was around 28 cents in beautiful beyond 4 months, exhibiting how besides GMT can in every practical sense arrive at an extremely most extreme value level of 39 cents amazingly. STEPN value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will really be STEPN especially worth in 2023 in a kind of huge manner? The GMT cost especially is gauged to arrive at a truly greatest degree of 39 cents with by and large least cost of 34 cents toward the finish of 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Does STEPN basically have a future? Certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As far as value, STEPN truly has an exceptional potential to explicit